Welcome back to your channel, Amit Sir Ki class. As decided earlier, today's agenda is incomes and expenditure account, how to prepare that, and you'll be introduced to the balance sheet. Okay, so here comes the first slide without any further formalities. Enjoy the class. So we start with the lecture today. Incomes and expenditure account is basically a nominal account, जैसे कि हम लोग पहले भी बात कर चुके हैं. On the debit side, we record all the expenditures. Credit side, we record all the incomes. Expenses और incomes कैसे होने चाहिए? Expenses should be revenue nature and relating to the current year only. Okay? Every expenditure or income relating to the current year and of revenue nature. Only these two transactions need to be taken care of. So that is what we do. We do not record the transactions on the cash basis. What do? We record it on the accrual basis. And the outcome is either surplus, अगर income ज़्यादा है तो surplus, expenditure ज़्यादा है तो deficit. When we prepare it, एक set procedure है. If we follow these steps, it will be easy for us. Okay. और देखिए होता क्या है कि अगर ये प्रोसीजर फॉलो करते हैं तो इट रिड्यूसेस द परसेंटेज ऑफ एरर्स. गलतियों के चांसेस कम हो जाते हैं. सबसे पहले रिसीट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट को देखिए. उसका ओपनिंग क्लोजिंग बैलेंस इग्नोर. एनी काइंड ऑफ कैपिटल नेचर ट्रांजैक्शन दैट कैन बी परचेज ऑफ असेट, इन्वेस्टमेंट, सेल ऑफ असेट और इन्वेस्टमेंट, एनी स्पेशल डोनेशन रिसीव, सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, एनी लेगेसी, लाइफ मेंबरशिप फीस एक्सेट्रा. दीज थिंग्स मार्क कर लीजिए एंड इग्नोर दैम. डू नॉट कंसिडर दैम. ओके. देन वॉट एवर इज लेफ्ट, जो बचेंगे वो क्या होंगे? वो रेवेन्यू नेचर ट्रांजैक्शंस होंगे और विद द ड्यू एडजस्टमेंट्स, जो भी उनके एडजस्टमेंट्स होने हैं उसके साथ में उनको रिकॉर्ड कर लीजिए इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट. क्लियर? जस्ट टेक अ लुक. दीज आर द probable transactions that can appear depending on the question. कुछ चीज़ें हट सकती हैं, कुछ चीज़ें और ऐड ऑन हो सकती हैं, लेकिन रिमेंबर वन थिंग, only revenue nature transactions and what? Nominal nature transactions. Clear? Now just take a look of this very small elementary level example. मैंने पहले से मार्क किया हुआ है अलग अलग कलर्स में. The blue color shows the opening and closing balance of the cash or bank. Red color shows the capital transactions, capital nature transactions. Black ones are what? These are the revenue nature transaction. और इनको ही उठा के if any other adjustment is not given, just take them and put them in the receipt income and expenditure account. Payments go to the expenditure side, income receipts goes to the income side. As simple as this. Take a look. And what is the outcome of this whole exercise is this: the balancing figure, that is surplus. Okay. Now take a look of this example. This is an extract from the NCERT book. A very elementary level question. Just read this as receipts and this as payments. There's slight misprinting there, I think. But still, let's focus on the question. It's a club. आपको सब्सक्रिप्शंस दिए हैं, डोनेशन, हॉल रेंट, अदर इनकम्स are given, entrance fees is given, purchase of furniture, a capital nature transaction. Then we have lot of revenue nature transactions with purchase of books. See this one. Then purchase of books, purchase of government papers, opening closing balances. Now these red marked items are what? These are the opening closing balances or the capital nature transactions. So ignore them, record all the transactions in the income expenditure account, but take care of those adjustments also. Outstanding salaries में ऐड हो जाएंगी. एंटरटेनमेंट एक्सपेंसेस ऐड हो जाएंगे. बैंक इंटरेस्ट रिसीवेबल अक्रूड इनकम है. दिस इंटरेस्ट ऑन बैंक डिपॉजिट्स 450 में you will add this 150. Subscriptions accrued 400. This is what? This is outstanding for the current year. You will add it Then 50%, this is important. See, 50% of entrance fees is to be capitalized. What was entrance fees? 1000. Okay, so अब पूरा नहीं इग्नोर होना है, 50% इग्नोर होना है. 50% you will show in income expenditure, 50% will go to the balance sheet. Okay, and then the depreciation on the furniture. Take a look here. Salaries outstanding, entertainment expenses, depreciation, bank interest. See this, entrance fee is 50% only. Out of 1000, 500 आया. Okay, rest all items just copy paste from there, and what do we get is this. Okay, so now that is how we make the incomes and expenditure account in any kind of a question along with the adjustments. And when we go for the balance sheet, which we will be taking on in the next final lecture of this chapter, in this lecture I'm going to give you the introduction to the basic procedure how to prepare the balance sheet. First thing what do we need is capital fund it is called in these organizations. कैसे मिलेगा? ओपनिंग कैपिटल से मिलेगा. ओपनिंग कैपिटल कैसे मिलेगी? ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट से मिलेगी. ओपनिंग डेट की सारी वैल्यूज, assets, liabilities, everything you list down. Capital will be missing. Balance sheet बनेगी opening date की. Okay. Then asset side minus liabilities total. The balancing amount will be called capital fund or the general fund. Okay. That will be your opening capital. You take that, you put that in the new, that is the year-end balance sheet, closing balance sheet. You add surplus or reduce deficit from there. Clear? Then list down all the entrance fees, life membership fees, legacy, etc. These some special donations, these kind of capital in transactions on the balance sheet side. Sorry, balance sheet liability side, and then rest of the items as we prepare the balance sheet. Fine. Just remember, this is just the basic introductory procedure. We need to be focusing on mainly the adjustments, just the way we did in final accounts. Okay, and this is a small question list, just basic true false kind of a things. I am expecting कि आप इसके answers मुझे inbox करेंगे, मुझे भेजेंगे इसके answers. Let's see how many of you are able to do. Okay, all the best for this. And in the next question, and sorry, in the next lecture, we'll be taking up the balance sheet numerical and subscription in detail. जो मैंने कह रखा था due था. In the next lecture we will do. Okay. And don't forget to do this. It keeps me running. Okay. And ये वो links हैं जो कि उन बच्चों के लिए हैं या उन students के लिए जिन्होंने previous episodes नहीं देखे हैं. Take a note and visit that. And any kind of queries, any kind of feedbacks are always welcome, as I always say. Okay. Okay then, I'll take your leave. God bless you all. Stay home, stay healthy, and stay safe. Bye. God bless.